This video is just a Happy New Year's video. Oh, it's gonna take so long to go through. What is up, you guys? I'm Fred, and I figured him might remember, and I wanted to do 2009 Oompa Loompas, which is crazy saying that. And I remember when, I believe is to my mind. Dude, without any further ado, let's go down a flight of stairs. I'll piss off, you wanker. I won't have it to know. You have it, and stick a gun. Some of the songs were catchy. I didn't really have an issue with them, but Fish Caught Slime singing I didn't really like. Not to be rude to him or anything like that, but I don't think this character has the best singing voice, and I don't know. I just didn't like the singing all that much. F Wonk A to D. Now I here's half funnel, but yeah, we lose.